This video, I will be showing you how to withdraw money from TikTok Creativity Program Beta. So first, you just have to know who is eligible for this TikTok Creativity Program. And as you can see here, you have to meet these requirements in order for you to get access to this. Be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have a minimum of 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days, have a personal account, okay? Be located in a region where the TikTok Creativity Program beta is available, okay? And then you have also here how to join the TikTok Creativity Program. Of course, you must have your personal TikTok account, and we have here some instructions on how to proceed or continue. So you have to go to the menu, create your tools, create your funds, and so on. Then switch to Creativity Program. So once you have meet these requirements, let us know how to or how are they going to calculate your rewards. So your rewards are calculated based on qualified views and RPM. It explains everything here. Then what is an eligible video? So it must reach at least 1,000 views. It is not do it or stage. It is not a photo mode. It is not advertisement, paid promotion, or sponsored content. It doesn't violate creativity program beta terms. So that's it. And then once that you have know all of this, like how to join and the rewards, now what is the TikTok creativity program beta payout? So you must know the creator fund. Okay, so typically offers payments ranging from this amount. Once you have enough funds and you wanted to, withdraw this money or your earnings on TikTok, what you want to do is to simply launch or open your TikTok application. And let me show you what it looks like. So first open your TikTok application. Now go to your profile, and then you just have to select these three lines at the top right corner and click Creator Tools. Now, here, if you are qualified or if you have access to this feature, then you will see this what we call Creativity Program Dashboard. So, this is what it looks like. Here, you will see the estimated rewards, your balance, and so on. So if you go to your earnings or monthly earnings, you will see here estimated reward for this period and your upcoming payout. So if you tap this card at the top right corner, there you will see this payout setup where you can see this payment method and tax information. So all you have to do is to simply set up your payment method here, PayPal or other payment providers, and then once done, click completed, and that's how you withdraw money from TikTok Creativity Program Beta. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.